Hey guys, it's Erica, and in today's video I just want to do a quick case collection video. So I do have an iPhone 11 Pro Max and I have a couple cases for them, so I just want to show you guys the cases that I have and then show you guys how it looks on the device. So if that's something that you're interested in, then just keep watching. So I have 4 cases, it's a little bit of cases, and it looks like this. I have this one, there's this green one, there's this pink one, and then there's the one that I have on my phone right now, and it's clear. So this case is clear and it has like this geometric design on the back, but you can see through it to see what color the phone is, and then it's just white on the sides, and then of course the front is black because it's black on everybody's. I have the midnight green one because this is like one of my favorite colors. I really like this color. The next case I have is the same exact case as the last one, but this one has a pink tint to it, so when you put it on the device it looks like this. And no, the front looks like this, is regular, and then the sides are like this soft ballerina. I was gonna say ballet, but this soft like ballerina pink. This is the case I got when I got the phone because I just needed something to go on it. So I got this green one. I'm not sure what color they consider this to be, but I think it's just like classified as green, and it just looks like this. I really like it. It's a silicone case and it's like really soft, and it's pretty protective as well. And then this is how it looks on the front. I really like these cases, but they're like $40, and I feel like I can get a case that's more protective for the same price. Now this is my last case and my least favorite case. Like, I don't really like this one. It's just like this boxy case, and it's like this pink color, and I think it's so ugly, so I put this sticker on it. So now it looks like this, and the front just looks like this, and it just makes your phone look more like a box. And that's pretty much all my cases. I do plan on getting some cases from Casetify, I think that's how you say it, and I was on their website yesterday and I added like 2 cases to my cart, so I need to check out with those. But I'm not gonna like be buying a whole bunch of cases for this phone because I'm only gonna have it for like a year. But yeah, those are my cases. If you guys enjoyed this video, just give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to rate, comment, and of course subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.